Hi there. I'm so glad that you decided to join me here. My name is Lisa Dukevich. I'm a coach for Mindset Success, and I am so thrilled to have this opportunity to take you through our blueprint for success that will help you flourish in the years ahead. So maybe you're feeling like you're frustrated and there's really more to life. Don't be afraid of that. There really is. And there are a lot of other people who feel exactly that same way. But I have taken this program. It's a 5-step program. I've gone through it myself. Thousands of other people have been through this program, and the results are phenomenal. It's a workshop like no other workshop that you've been to. What you're going to find out is more about who you are as a person. Who were you really designed to be? We're going to work on your vision. Maybe we'll define it, maybe we'll refine it. I will meet you where you are at this moment. And as we go through this program together, we'll even take a look at the roadblocks that are stopping you from the success that you desire. We'll learn how to obliterate those and get moving toward the success that you desire. And we'll find out how our passion fuels that flame that's going to just give us that motivation and move forward toward those goals. And we'll also have the opportunity to work together to create a specific plan that's created especially for you so that you have the steps to move forward in the dreams and the goals that you have for yourself. So don't delay. Let's meet here together. But first of all, down below, click the link. It'll just take you a couple of minutes to register, and I will get a special package mailed off to you, and it'll be full of little goodies for our day together. We'll be able to meet virtually, the comfort of your own home. So sign up today, invite a friend. It'll be powerful, and we will see you living the life that you dream of. We'll color your future bright together, okay? See you soon.